زۆر سپاس دەکەم بەڕێزی بەخێر بن سەرچاو. ئێمە وەکو خوێندنگەی فام تەڵەبەکانمان پۆلی 4 سەرەتایی ئەو کورتە چیرۆکەکان لە زمانی ئینگلیزی و بۆ زمانی کوردی تەرجمە کردووە. ئێمە وەکو دیاری دەیبەخشین بۆ خەڵکێکی ئێستا بەشدارە لەو ڤیستیڤاڵە. ئەمە شتێکێکە لە بەشداربووەکان کە ئەو کورتە چیرۆکەی تەرجمە کردووە دەتوان پرسیار لە خۆی بکەن بە ئینگلیزی جوابتان داتەوە و ئەو کارانی کە دەیدا کردووە دەتوانێت پێشنیاری بکەن. You can explain, okay?
Hi guys, I'm a student from FAM school. I translate this book to Kurdish and I teach a lot from it's an English book and I really teach English a lot. And this story it's about there is a boy have socks and the socks
Okay, honey, I'm sorry for interruption. Can you tell them what's the theme, what's the main idea of this short story, okay?
Okay, this boy have a socks and it's dirty. The people around it they're laughing because the socks when he went to any place they're all laughing too. And one day he saved money and he have a lot of money like to buy the socks. When he buy the socks he's so happy and like he is always screaming and the people around is shocked because he just buy
I'm sorry. Can you tell them who helps you for translate the short story?
My English teacher name's Shaajuan, and she tell us this idea to be like to our English be better, and she tell us to make a group. And there's a girl with me named Leah, and she helped me a lot.
Okay. You should say thank you for.
Okay, thank you.
Look at that.
Okay, thank you for Rەسەن television because they're making us to come to like run here to videoing us and thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. زۆر سپاس.